Lava.
Okay, so say welcome to
Lava.
Mommy, Daddy and Mason's egg. What are we doing?
Welcome to experiment.
Yay! Okay, so we've got, what's in there? What's in there?
Water.
Water. Okay, so we need to add red color. Okay, so we add a drop. Come on, you add a drop. Oops! Mason, I said a drop. I didn't say all of it. Okay, right.
Daddy's
Oh.
experiment.
Okay, ready, set, go. What?
Go.
Well, so what do we say?
Ready, set, go.
No. Welcome to
Mommy's, daddy's, baby's
Mason's
experiment eggs.
experiment eggs. Okay. So what have we got in here?
Water.
Water, and then we're going to add. What's this?
Bottles.
No, this not in here.
Juice.
No, it's not juice. It's oil.
Oil.
Okay, so you help Daddy. Right. Okay. So we do it slowly. Come on, hold Daddy. Hold the bottle gently. So, do you think it's gonna float or sink?
Float.
Well done. So the oil. Look, you can see.
Look at all the bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, bubbles.
Okay. What are we making?
Puppy.
What are we making, Mason? We're making
Lava now.
Lava lamp.
Babies, Mason's, daddy's, mommy's experiments.
experiment. Okay, so we've got water. We've added oil. Okay, so the oil floats. You were right. Well done. Okay, now the oil will float because of different density. Say density. Say density. Is that a long word? Say density.
That's a star.
Density.
That's a star.
Oh, density.
That's a star.
Okay.
It's floating.
Okay, so now, obviously, before we had, we messed up the plan. So we're now going to add just drops of this red color liquid. Look what's happening.
Happening.
Okay, you're right. So we've added our color. We're going to now add, what's this?
Salt.
Salt. Now we should really be adding Alka-Seltzer tablets, but because obviously it's lockdown, we can't really go out. Can we go out?
No.
Why? Because of? Why can't we go out of a house? Because of? What's everyone scared of? What are we scared of, Mason? Why are we inside? Because of?
Coronavirus.
Okay, tell them. Say we don't go out because of?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus, okay? Right, okay. So we've added the water. What color is it?
Red.
Okay, what's this part here? It's water and
Oil.
oil. Okay, is the oil floating or sinking?
Sinking.
Is it? The oil? The oil is floating because of different... What did Daddy teach you? Density.
Density.
Okay, so what are we making, Mason? We're making a
Lava now.
lava lamp. What's this? We're going to add salt to this and see whether it's going to create the bubbles for a lava lamp. What's a lava? Where can you see lava usually? From a?
In a volcano.
From a volcano. You stand up so they can see you. So we're going to add salt bit by bit.
What's happening?
Okay, what's happening? So that's a very good question. So do you want to become an astronaut?
Yeah.
So good scientists always ask for questions. There's always, what's happening? What's that? Okay, why is it changing? Can you see? Now let's see what happens. So, you want to put some salt?
No.
Come on,
Why not?
it's okay. Come on, look, we put salt. Right, okay, so put salt bit by bit. Come on, oopsie daisy, we had another accident. It's okay, mommy will clean it. Say ha. Say, Mommy, clean it. Come on. No. Daddy will clean it later. Okay. So we've got the salt. Now look what's going to happen. Let's see. Let's wait for the salt to dissolve at the bottom. Oh, look. Can you guys see that? Look. Say, look, everybody.
Everybody.
What's happening?
What's this? Huh?
Oh, come on, you put more. Come on, you put more. You put more salt. Oh, see, look. Look. To everybody, I've made a...
Oh, Dad.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You're learning. Look what's happening to the lava lamp. You wait for a second. Look down there. Look. Can you see? Look. It's coming. I think we should have put less color.
No.
Look. Can you see? Let's see whether we can see the bubbles. Can you see? Do you want to put some more? Look. It's there. It's happening. Can you see? Look. Come here. Look closely. There. Look here. Look there. Can you see? Look all there.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Awesome.
What do you want? Do you want this?